Idioms with the word rain. Let's start. يطلب لبن العصفور أو يطلب المستحيل to chase rainbows. Chase rainbows. For example, I know you want to become an actor, but I think you should stop chasing rainbows. خليها لمرة تاني أو خلينا نأجل الموضوع لغير مرة. Let's take a rain check. Let's take a rain check. For example, thanks for your invitation, but I think I have to take a rain check. I can't make it this year. خبي قرشك الابيض ليومك الاسود. Save for a rainy day or save money for a rainy day. يفسد خطط شخص ما أو ينزع بالعربي بنقول بالدارج بنقول بينزع عليه فرحته. To rain on someone's parade. For example, I don't mean to rain on your parade, but I have some bad news. مهما كانت الظروف rain or shine or come rain or shine. For example, the meeting will be on Tuesday. Rain or shine. بصحة جيدة as right as rain. As right as rain. For example, he was very ill, but now he's as right as rain. خبروني بالكومنتس شو أكتر تعبير حبيتوه اليوم، وإذا استفدتوا من هذا الفيديو give me a heart and follow for more. See you soon. Bye bye.